Okay, we are installing the bottom bracket. Specifies 25 to 30 foot-pounds. I'm gonna put all 30 because you know I'm a heavy guy. So we want to make sure we have everything nice and tight when we putting the power down. Ha ha ha. But yeah, and I use some grease. So they told me, man, it's a local grease. So made locally. Grease the threads. Actually, I'm supposed to grease the threads in here. I think both, but yeah. Lube job. Yeah. Rated PG-13. Not actually rated mature. You know some people are, mine is as messed up as mine. But yeah. I'll rub that grease in there. Assembly grease. It's a thick viscosity. Yeah. One thing I'm learning about bicycle maintenance assembly is everything is grease. Yeah, man. Everything is grease related. You know, it's weird because at first I thought like you wouldn't want grease; it would allow things to get loose. But it's a little different with bikes. So I'm gonna put some on here too. I think it's only the one I need it on just the one surface, but all it will do will just ooze out. Better to be safe than sorry. So this is going into the drive side. I have the torque wrench already set. Let me turn. You can see the hole there. Shows the rotation. Oh yeah, there we go. You know what? I'm gonna turn the bike around so you can see what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing here. Okay. Here we go. Pedro's tool. So when you have the tools, you can do anything. Now I just unscrewed it. Threads go this way. The other threads go the other way. I'm not gonna even try to get too much into that. Just note and do. So yes, the drive side. The thing with the GPX bottom bracket is keyed very differently, so there's no way of messing up. This one has like a hexed kind of thing in there, so there's no way of really getting anything confused. So I'm gonna grease this one. I already greased like the what do you call this? The shell. They call that the shell. This part here. The bearing is going to the shell. So this grease, I'm gonna put this in here. Let's see. So you see they go opposite ways to tighten. As you see I'm turning. That's tightening on this one goes this one goes this way. So and I lock this thing in place. clicks. There it goes, 30 foot-pounds. I have to reverse the direction of my wrench. The thread's going the other way. Now let's take this off first. Let's do this in by hand. Whoop, on the slip. Do this in by hand. Really easy to do. Just have to have the right tools. Boy, it's at 30 foot already. There we go. Reverse. This way here. And there you have it. The bottom bracket installed. We just wait now. And so, oh, I should have just did this all at the same day I got the crank. But you know, knowing me, I probably rush. You know, I could use a day off from riding anyway. A recovery day. Knowing me, I probably rush trying to get everything, so I'll do some of it today and wait for the rest to come. Yeah, this is from the other side here. That's a washer. It stays on there. Let me take this off it. So let me switch the camera. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Pretty cool. Bottom bracket installation. With the tools you can do it yourself. So now we wait. It's gonna be pretty sick. Got a Sram crank is coming, you know. Very nice crank set. Very nice. So we'll see the end of how that works out. You know. So the only thing I didn't really like about this bike was the crank, you know, but they cut corners with anything unless you're spending like $1 million, then you're getting everything. So they cut corners with the crank, so I change it out, you know. So there you go. So that's the video for today. Bottom bracket installation on a Sirrus X 4.0.